Well, let's try to see how we're gonna be able to download an Excel file from ClickEdu when we try to create a list from one of the classes. So I select this one, technology, so first of letter A. I click here, I go into the class, and then you see here, I'm in the main screen, I go the sessions and so on, evaluation, and I'll go here to the list of students. See these three landscape lines, I click on them and it displays a list with multiple choices. So I select this one, export students CSV. CSV is a format. So I double click here and see in the downloads list of your computer will appear. The top one will be the final one, the last download you have. So I click on that, and when I click on that, it will open a funny list, which is not very appealing. So what I need to do is open a new tab on this spreadsheet, and here when I go on the top, we got archivo, inicio, insertar, disposición de página. Well, this is in Spanish. Formulas, datos will be data for you. You click on data and you go here to obtain data, and then you click on that from a file which is going to be the texto/CSV. I click on this. I will get now a pop-up window message which is going to show me where the CSV file are going to be obtained. So I go to downloads and I click on the first file. I go here, which is the latest that I download. I double click and it will get a new thing in Excel connecting, and I will get this file. This file is not appealing yet, but I'm gonna make a change how to be able to open it nice in Excel. So I click on this green bar, I click on this small arrow pointing south, sorry for my English, scroll down, and this one, the last choice, Unicode UTF-7. I click here and it appears to be this file. I go to upload the file, and I can see a normal file with the names of the students for my class. The class is second, no, in this case ESO first A. There's another CSV file in the same list from ClickEdu, which is more complete, that also has the letter and also has the email address of the students and so on, but this is enough. And you want to export this to Excel, you highlight it. I would recommend you to go out, I click, and then I go to File or Archivo and open a new Excel file, click, and then with the right click of your mouse, you go here and say Pegado Especial, paste, and I go and see paste values, and you'll see a normal file with names, and you can put here students, and then I will save this file. And if you keep adding other classes, you keep adding tabs here, and that's it. This one is going to be, for example, for first of SOA, but you may want something for first of SOB and so on. You keep adding tabs till you finish. So that's basically it.